Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making my dad's french fries, and this is a very rare occurrence because my mom usually doesn't allow us to eat them, and you're going to see why in just a few seconds. So this is my dad secretly going into the supermarket to get hydrogenated oil, which is the best type of oil. Yeah, it's super yummy, but my mom doesn't allow it in our house. So she was gone for the day, so he decided not to tell her and go get it. So, I mean, yeah, I guess some white lies are okay. So first of all, we're going to peel all of the potatoes, try to get it like around the same size, and then you're going to chop them thinly, and then that thin strip into even more thinner strips, just, single lines. And I believe he also left a couple of them in their round shape, but yes, you should just chop it up like that. Yeah, those ones he left flat. The smaller potatoes he goes for. Then he's gonna prepare the ketchup, so he just puts ketchup and salt and pepper, and even though it's so simple, it really is super good. But yeah, adding the salt and pepper to the ketchup makes it like 10 times better. You should try that. Then he's going to take all of the potatoes that were previously in water, and he's going to strain them. And this is very important to do before frying them because you're going to get oil splashes otherwise when the oil and the water meet. So make sure to do that. Then you're going to fry it, and once it starts looking nice and brown, you're going to take it out. Yeah, preferably maybe do this outside if you can, so that your house doesn't smell like fried food. And then you're going to serve it super hot, and the moment it gets out, just sprinkle some salt on top of it. As a nice finish. And yeah, so all of us devoured these within minutes. It was super, super good. Here's him serving it to like everyone around the house. I'm not sure how my mom didn't catch us at this point, but maybe she thought that we used healthy oil, or her, according to her, whatever healthy oil is. But yeah, we all ate it. It was super good, and this is him hiding the evidence. And I guess my mom is literally gonna see this video, but it's fine. Maybe she doesn't, who knows? But that's it. Make sure to clean up your crime cleanly and go about your day like nothing happened. But that's it. We hope you enjoy these french fries and that you love them as much as we do. Happy french frying. Bye bye.